And I'm back from the shopping, and I brought Hanazuki because I have this. Yeah, Hanazuki, yeah. I'm gonna open it. I'm just gonna open it. Come on, everybody, just open it. Yeah, it's pretty hard to open this. It's not pretty hard. Oh, got it out. Cute background. I'm gonna keep the cute background because it's cute. Look, so cute. We got television. Let's pop that out. You can pop it out. I'm just gonna get it out. The TV. A blue TV. Look, there's a blue TV. And I got the banana. Oh, this is not the banana. What is this? Oh, it's a hot dog. It's a hot dog. That's cute. Okay, I got the fist. I got the fist. Look at the fist. It's actually translucent. The fist is actually, I like the fist because it's red. It means it's angry. Okay, here is a bracelet. It's a bracelet, and it's Hanazuki. I got this Hanazuki. I'm gonna put this in because it says it glows. Oh, it's a rainbow. Oh my gosh, it's red. How do I activate it? Oh yes, it's a Hanazuki! Oh my gosh, that's how to activate it. It's cute. This is actually so cute. Mom's just looking at me. But how to get up my toy? Like that. Close it. And they're also had little like this, so we can put it here. I wish I had the little fuzzball. That would be so cute. I'm so weird. I'm weird. I do like the television, the hot dog, and the punch one. And you can see there's a Hanazuki logo on it. You can't see that because this one has a Hanazuki logo. You see that? It's blurry. Hanazuki, I can't draw it for you. I'm sorry, guys. So, guys, this is the hot dog, and this is the television, and this is the fist, and this is the bracelet. Pretty sure. Does it fit? Oh my gosh, it does. Oh my gosh, guys, look. It does fit. This is some action. First one of Hanazuki. How is she fitting? Hey guys, I'm just kidding. I like the food. I have my bracelet. It's cool. Just look at these. I'm never gonna lose these. These are cute. These are so adorable. These are, you can see they're just translucent. You can see my hand. You can just see my hand in them. Yeah. You can see my hand and it's actually translucent. It's cool. This is the hot dog. That's the hot dog. That's the hot one. And this is actually the fist. What's this? What's this? What's the? It's the TV. Cute little TV. And they have something in the back. They have that to stick to my bracelet. Yeah, I love these. I'm gonna load the Hanazuki game and I'm gonna keep this for something sticks to you. I'll do like these, and then if I have the full set, tell me in the comments down below if I'm rich in toys. There's a hot dog. Hello, hello, hello. I'm a little. I do like the pink one. I want the pink one. I want every single one because they're all cute. So, bye guys, because I'm gonna load Hanazuki game and I'm gonna play it. Bye guys. Boo.